If you had to have like 3 max takeaways of reflections of this 10 years of Bombay Shaving Company, क्या रहेगा तेरे लिए?
Predictability should not become the enemy of dreaming big and trying to do different things. I think you should always have 3-4 moonshots in the back pocket. Your company matters to people who own it truly, and ownership can be coached and ownership can be cultivated in people.
Or this YouTube has dropped its premium rates in India. मैं बोल रहा हूँ, can you imagine a future where top 100 million richest people in India will not see ads on Instagram and YouTube?
That you genuinely feel that people feel love for any creators.
The brand, when they go to agencies like Ogilvy, what happens is that they come with a mindset that creative ऐसा होना चाहिए, इस size का होना चाहिए, and they have this 3-month campaign करेंगे XYZ. They are saying that world is over.
Hi everyone, welcome to episode 50 of the Asymmetric Podcast. Today we have a guest-free conversation loaded for you. We are coming off just yesterday. We celebrated the 10th birthday and the foundation day of Bombay Shaving Company. So I was, full of gratitude and emotion. And my two hosts today, Chirag and Revant, have played very foundational roles at Bombay Shaving Company. Revant, of course, was our board member, investor, friend. Introduced us to Chirag, who was our chief revenue officer for 3 years before he went on to found GoQuick. So they've played a huge role as mentors, friends, and part of BSE. And it was amazing, a huge party with 200, 250 people and investors, partners, alums coming in and giving love. And we kind of had a nostalgia event of nostalgia as well as direction for the future. So discussing some of the reflections from building companies that survived 10 years. People are congratulating me for surviving 10 years as if they were not expecting me to, but it's good to know they're happy one way or the other. But more reflection on a decade of building and a century to look forward to. Chirag and Revant have been huge supporters. We missed Revant yesterday, but I think his spirit was very much there. And of course, we did have a discussion today on the deep impact of the creator economy, what that means for brand marketers, building brands, and just one of our thesis at BSC is to build India's most loved brand, and how today's media distribution and the creator system is actually changing all the rules of that game. So a power packed episode. Hope you guys enjoy. Please put in comments, send us feedback on how we can do better and stuff that we could improve on.
I wrote a post just now since this got a little delayed. यार मैं तो किसी कंपनी स्टार्टअप की एटलीस्ट 10th फाउंडेशन डे पे गया ही नहीं हूँ. So I have either company I have not been like part of, or startups haven't made, or they got sold. So it was quite electrifying, yeah, to see एक founder का vision 10 साल पहले कुछ start हुआ. I presented, some of the things we did when we were there, right from a Sacred Games kit to beard growth oil to all the mistakes which we have done, to badasses of Bombay Shaving Company. So काफी nostalgic, plus there are 200 odd people in the room who are now feeling that okay, we are built something. There is what he was showing. They've at least till date they've had 3.5 crore customers.
Wow.
So हाँ, और it was quite electric. It was quite exciting to see the, at least it looked like that Bombay Shaving Company is going through this little bit of J curve phenomena. And general
Actually,
enthusiasm and people जो old timers भी थे ना, I could see that they are feeling कि अब हम निकाल देंगे. I was telling them कि तुमने, they've taken a 10-quarter target of doubling. I was telling them, I think you will surprise yourself on revenue. I think you'll do it earlier.
I don't know for some reason Rebel hasn't done a 10-year party at all. I think they should have. और अभी तो
यार
15
पता
साल हो
करना
जाने
चाहिए. I
चाहिए.
think ये सब तो शांतनु is super brilliant at it. I think he called a lot of Allens.
Yeah.
You just need it. It just promotes more word of
Yeah,
mouth,
yeah,
more
yeah, yeah.
believability ना.
या नहीं, हमारा 5 साल वाला हुआ था.
टाइप है ना.
इस साल हमारा मई में 5 ईयर वाला हुआ था. वी डिडंट डू एलुम्स, बट वो अलग फीलिंग तो आई थी. वी हैड कॉल्ड पेरेंट्स ऑफ पीपल हु वर देयर फ्रॉम डे वन, फैमिलीज ऑफ पीपल हु वर देयर फ्रॉम डे वन. तो उसी में लोग इतने भावुक हो गए थे यार, बिकॉज बहुत लोग तो डे वन से हैं. तो फर्क तो पड़ता है यार, कि मतलब मेरे को पहली बार ऐसे,
नहीं,
तो यार
अपने को
राइट,
भी
मेरे को
पता लगता है यार, मतलब.
करेक्ट करेक्ट नहीं. और वही बातें हो रही थी यार कि मतलब हमने यहाँ शुरू किया था, तब ये कर रहे थे. मतलब यू नेवर एक्चुअली टेक पॉज एंड रिफ्लेक्ट कि यार कहाँ थे
Yeah.
और कहाँ आ गए करके. वो दैट इज द मोस्ट
Yeah, we don't need to do
इंटरेस्टिंग
it
वे.
like very frequently, but once in like 4 or 5 years, so is a good, like good
Once
point
every
to
5 years is
just
good, yeah.
see where you come. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's quite good, quite good.
Actually, you're right. We would never think of even surviving for 10 years first. और सर्वाइवल हो जाए 10 साल, वही बहुत
हाँ,
बड़ी बात हो जाती है.
करेक्ट, क्योंकि इफ यू सर्वाइव, आई थिंक देयर इज इनफ डेटा नाउ, इफ यू सर्वाइव 10 इयर्स देन एटलीस्ट कंपनी तो बन जाएगी. अब कितनी बड़ी बनेगी नहीं बनेगी दैट्स अ डिफरेंट केस,
Yeah.
बट एटलीस्ट समथिंग विल बी देयर.
Yeah. No, I agree. I think this is
I was so happy to see his parents there. I was speaking to his dad. He was saying that, you know, थोड़ी खुशी तब होती है जब तुम सक्सेसफुल होते हो, ज़्यादा खुशी तब होती है जब बेटा भी सक्सेसफुल हो जाए, बच्चे सक्सेसफुल हो जाए. और फिर उससे ज़्यादा खुशी तब होती है जब और लोगों की ज़िंदगियाँ बदल दी जाएँ. वेलकम शांतनु. वी वर डिस्कसिंग, एट लीस्ट आई वाज डिस्क्राइबिंग टू हिम माय फीलिंग्स यस्टरडे. आई वाज तो नींद ही नहीं आई यार मुझे. मतलब सो
क्यों?
एक्साइटेड. अरे मतलब उस रूम में एनर्जी इतनी थी यार कि यू नो आई कुड सी इट ऑन पीपल्स फेस कि यस वी हैव अराइव्ड, we'll payload it from here. We have survived all the things. It was quite good.
हाँ यार, मैं thank you CT for making it. Revant, we missed you a lot. Yesterday was amazing, yaar. Sorry, first of all, apologies to you both and the viewers for joining in late. I think the 2-3 things that stayed with me yesterday was, I think the number of people who have जो जुड़ जाते हैं ना यार जर्नी के साथ, and then the make the journey or like their own. It doesn't remain a founder's company very long. It becomes a company of the people, and everyone shapes it in their own beautiful way. Especially, and especially when I was seeing Varun and Deepak and everyone present, and they were presenting like leaders and owners of the company, and everyone saw that, and I think that's brilliant to see. They weren't presenting to me or to shareholders, or they were presenting to the team. That was amazing. कि हम ये करेंगे साथ में.
Yeah.
It was nothing to do with, it has nothing to do with we are accountable or answerable to these people. No, it was we are accountable to ourselves. वो मेरे को सबसे सही लगा कल कि people have made the company their own. उनकी company हो गई है. So when I wrote thank you messages yesterday, I have, like, to Deepak, for example, I was like, great to be a part of your journey. But it was lovely. Chirag, even your session was great. बहुत सही. Like, just the combination of, I think, the balance of nostalgia plus history plus future, I think, culturally both, like, I felt very good.
During a journey, you figure out different cogs of the wheel at different point in time. At least now, looking at it from outsider, now I can tell that there is good team, there is enough traction in particular categories, even more so. There is fuel in the tank. सब कुछ दिख रहा है, तो मुझे लग रहा है दैट इज व्हाई आई तो पैशनेटली दे गिव दैट मैसेज कि बॉस अब एक्सीलरेटर से पैर नहीं उठाना है.
हाँ,
अब मतलब
अब
आग लगाते नहीं है.
I love that slide around 0.1% DTC companies reach the scale, and 10x and not 10%. वो सही मैसेज था एकदम, limitless सोचना. Chirag was just amazing यार to make a presentation, and like, very good. Really appreciate it.
ब्रो मैं
But
तो
एक बात
गुरु
बता.
दक्षिणा टाइप्स थी.
So first I was showing the photos to Aarti in the morning कि यार देख ये था, and तो उसने तो पेला मेरे को कि यार तू गया क्यों नहीं. I'm like यार इतनी तेरे को बताया था इतना सब कुछ है करके. तो पहले तो उधर से ही मतलब you don't need to scold me शांतनु, उससे पड़ गई है मेरे को कि ऐसे कैसे कर सकता है करके तू कि ना ठीक है अभी आगे बढ़ते हैं, लेट्स. सुबह सुबह डांट पड़ गई. But I wanted to, looking at the photos, I realized that a lot of these folks have been with you since day one, right? 10 years back also Mandy was there. Some people obviously started there, then they moved on. Chirag was part of the journey for some time, then moved on. तेरे लिए, I mean, of course, there have been 4 or 5 people who have been a clear constant since day one. But I wanted to ask you, right, because I missed the celebrations yesterday. But looking at the photos, मेरे को यार थोड़ा सुबह फिर मैं सोच रहा था कि if you had to have like 3 max takeaways of reflections of this 10 years of Bombay Shaving Company, like क्या रहेगा तेरे लिए?
यार, one is कि यार I was 27, 28 when I started. So, life has happened in 10 years. Like 10 years is a long time. It's like, it's possibly 12 to 15% of your life, right? And probably 50, like 40% of your professional life. So it's a large window. So number one is, I think, one big reflection is कि at any given point in time, हम सोच ही नहीं सकते थे. कितना भी हम विजनरी बोल लो, सिटी ऑफ बिन देयर, लाइक अपन कितना सोचते थे हम ये करेंगे, वो करेंगे, पेल देंगे, ये वो. But to truly imagine what it feels like today would not have been possible at any point in time, maybe till 22, 23, first 5, 6 years, so bilkul bhi nahi, right? So which gives me a humbling feeling that today I cannot imagine what our 15th or 20th year will look like. Even if I want to be a very, I want to build a predictable business, and, all of that is all fine. Maybe some amount of clarity is there, but it is very hard to sit here and predict kya hoga. So the ability to continue to take risks and continue to dream big should never go away. I think that's
Hmm.
one big reflection I have. कि यार predictability should not become the enemy of dreaming big and trying to do different things.
Can
वो
I
कभी नहीं
summarize
होना
this
चाहिए. Number
as
one, I think.
you've figured that you would want to continuously manage your energy and be in a high energy state, irrespective of what situation you are in?
Hmm,
Because ambition flows from a little bit
yeah,
of purpose and energy, right? Purpose, but you can't
correct,
deflate your energy basis bad situation or कि हाँ यार predictable compound नहीं होगा तो relax करते हैं करके.
correct, correct. And
Okay?
also like अपन ने जो अमनीश की बात की थी ना कि यार predictability होना चाहिए business में, वो सब ठीक है, but I think you should always have 3-4 moonshots in the back pocket. वो होने
Okay?
चाहिए, हमेशा होने चाहिए. Because I think from your definition, I think energy comes from कुछ बड़ा करते हैं. At any point in time, I
Hmm.
think मुकेश अंबानी भी वही सोच रहा था, कुछ बड़ा करते हैं. वो भी सोच रहा होगा
Hmm.
ना, at his scale also he was thinking something big. So I think
Okay?
predictability cannot be the enemy of that. That's one. I think the second one is I think your company matters to people who own it truly. Like मेरे को लगता था कि uh, I don't know why. I just always used to feel like outcomes of Bombay Shaving Company matter to me more than they matter to others. For others, it might be transactional. For others, it might be an investment. For someone, it might be a stepping stone in a career standpoint. But more often than not, even if tenure might be lesser, shorter, or whatever, but the attachment people have and how much they make the company their own is actually much higher than I thought. And
Hmm.
ownership can be coached, and ownership can be cultivated in people. Also, it's not something that is an intrinsic for people, a person. Like it's your responsibility to make someone else have an ownership mindset. You can't just hire for it, I think. ये मेरे को भी बहुत लगता है. Like yesterday, like there are conversations I had yesterday with people I would never ordinarily have had, right?
Hmm.
But to see how much they think about BSC and how much it's a part of their identity. A lot of people have
Hmm.
like Bombay Shaving Company's logo as their WhatsApp DP or
Hmm.
stuff like that. तो तब पता चलता है कि यार it doesn't matter how senior or junior or how long you've spent. Ownership mindset can
Hmm.
be cultivated. So that's the second takeaway.
Hmm.
Reflection. Third reflection I think is कि यार छोटे हैं यार बहुत. Like they're still very small. Like Chirag said,
Hmm.
well, it's still day one. If you can look back at history, you can predict the future. थोड़ा बहुत बोलते हैं. So that way I have strong belief that the future is still long, much longer than the history.
Well said, Shantanu. And I think I also had a little bit of reflective moments because you asked me to create a deck. तो मैं तो जब डॉट्स कनेक्ट कर रहा था ना तो और एटलीस्ट व्हेन आई वाज राइटिंग तो मुझे लगा यार कि इट इट कम्स डाउन टू ओनली कीप ट्राइंग यार.
Hmm.
मतलब डोंट रन आउट ऑफ फ्यूल एंड कीप ट्राइंग. कि वी ट्राइड सो मेनी थिंग्स and then some
Yeah.
things have worked, some things have worked for some time and haven't like worked forever. I'm sure it is the same with people also, same with our experiments also. और एक और चीज मुझे बहुत ही सही लगी. I had shown that emails etc yesterday. Then I think वो जो रेवन I think truly practices pay it forward or believe in karma.
Yeah.
I think it comes back like in the same life only.
Yeah.
You saw my emails ना. I showed him. I had written an email saying COD RTO analysis कर दो. मैं तंग हो गया उससे.
Aram को ना.
And we are doing that analysis and imagine, I'm sure it would have been back of my mind when we were thinking about Go Quick. And then here we are. So सब कुछ एकदम मतलब हिस्ट्री में तो डॉट्स करेक्ट हो जाते हैं. राइट फ्रॉम रेवंस ईमेल टू माय ईमेल, ऑल थिंग्स लाइक उस मोमेंट पे खड़े होते ऐसे लगता है क्या चल रहा है यार, क्या कर रहे हैं, वी आर वेस्टिंग आवर टाइम, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है, ऑल दैट स्टफ. एंड देन व्हेन यू स्टार्ट टू लुक एट इट फ्रॉम अ 5-10 year window, then it feels like real compounding, right?
Truly.
Compounding of our knowledge also. Knowledge, learning, all of that is, we've come a long way.
And lifelong relationships, यार. Lifelong relationships.
वो तो है ही है. वो तो है ही है. Bastards of BSc.
I think, like, having seen you for 10 years, Shantanu, I think maybe it's hard for you to see it and personally reflect. But I see you much more resilient than before. I think
Yeah.
because you're an emotional person now, you're purpose driven, but तेरे में resilience थोड़ा कम था पहले. अब मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा दिख रहा है वो. And I think it's an outcome of the 10 years that you spent doing this. And because you are doing okay today, I'm not being judgmental because you said छोटे लग रहे हैं as your reflection. I'm saying you're doing okay, right? And you want to grow even bigger from here. I think it's part to play with the fact that you've increased your resilience and you've seen 10 years and you're saying कि यार ये सब हाथ पैर मार के यहाँ तो पहुंच गए करके. अब यहाँ से 10x करना है तो जोश तो है, right? टीम में जोश है. You're very happy to see ownership being cultivated, like all the things that you mentioned. But I think उसका एक necessary input is your resilience, and you will underestimate. I think you were always purpose driven, but वो purpose के, and therefore energy was always there, right? But the resilience angle was important in bad periods where you would be the guy who would be like, नहीं यार अपन करेंगे करके types. And that also rubs off on energy for people as well as building resilience and long term thinking in your team as well. तो मुझे लग रहा है वो ग्रो हुआ है तेरे में. अब वो कैसे हुआ है पता नहीं, बट वो हुआ है मेरे को लगता है.
Yeah. I also feel it comes like earlier, like frankly, when you derive strength from people, like I remember, like yesterday, Chirag spoke about the Colgate acquisition not going through, and I derived strength from Chirag and Deepak at that time, who said कि यार छोड़ो यार, क्या करते हैं अभी, मजा आएगा. दीपक बोलता अभी खींचते हैं कंपनी को, लेट्स फिगर आउट कि अभी हाउ डू वी प्रिजर्व कैश, 2 महीने का रनवे, हाउ डू वी एक्सटेंड इट टू 6 months, गेट मोर कैश, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. वी डिड ऑल दैट. And as the company has grown and people have become more successful inside the company, you derive confidence from them also. Like, Nitish, for example, who will say, "Yaar, let's make sure that runway is infinite. Break even नहीं है तो भी runway infinite होना चाहिए." Before you're profitable also, he was trying to do all of this jugglery, इधर से कुछ लो, उधर से कुछ लो, इसको वापस को, like all of that classic treasury management Nitish was doing. So he took our runway from 8-9 months to like 17-18 months with the same amount without raising any new capital. तो उधर से फिर स्ट्रेंथ आता है. फिर डीसी बोलेंगे कि यार एसडी यार 50 करोड़ हिट करना है यार, अभी करेंगे, इन 3 महीने में 1 महीना तो हिट करेंगे. And suddenly you start like at least for me, I derive a lot of strength from people around who start believing also at different stages. In the initial days, of course, differently, but now also like I did. And then it's my job to articulate it and then kind of make it a more systematic theme for the complete company. But I personally derive a lot of strength from people who own the business and have confidence and find answers to tough problems.
So
I think वो
so you-
Colgate वाला तो in my view was a boy to man moment था वो for Bombay Shaving Company. It was clearly one of those moments. और ये नहीं हो जाता शांतनु, I think when you have these near death moments in while building a startup, then I think and when you recover from it, I think the strength, the power, the resilience it gives you is of a very different level कि अब इससे ज़्यादा क्या ही होगा.
Agree. वो स्टेम सेल रिजनरेशन वाला स्ट्रेंथ होता है वो. It's not muscle building, it's stem cell regeneration. It's a different kind of strength. वही बोलते हैं ना, you should hold your breath 5 to 6 times a day for at least 20-30 seconds. Creates very different cardiovascular endurance compared to anything else.
मेरे को तो लगता है कंपनी बिल्डिंग में ना, आई थिंक वी शुड क्रिएट, आई डोंट नो इफ वी कैन क्रिएट, बट आई थिंक वी शुड क्रिएट सम ऑफ दीज आर्टिफिशियल moments. If naturally they don't come in our lives, we should create, because I think it gives a very different push to the company.
Yeah.
The real character of the company comes out. You start to see that in people यार, कि उस टाइम पे जो लोग साथ में रहते हैं, सॉल्व करते हैं, आई थिंक दे
यार
very
जहाँ आप
different.
बात कर रहे थे, when Varun was giving his presentation, I was seeing big eyes यार. मतलब people are like, I was standing in the back, like I had a very different view. You could see gasps and you could see that the energy was like, energy was passing from the person to 200 people, and hopefully they carried forward. Full of gratitude, like for very hard to put a finger on the emotion, but gratitude comes closest. Like truly grateful.
Before you joined, we were just talking about this, Shantanu, that like while we reflect on how to build a better business and how to be a better CEO, I think these moments every 5 years also lead to reflections of a different nature for everybody, not just for the founder, CEO, and management team, but for everybody, I think, involved, including new joinees for that matter. So,
Yeah.
important to celebrate some of these milestones. Not from any perfect ये कि बहुत बड़े बन गए या just actually survival point of view. Because before you joined, Chirag was saying कि यार कोई startup कभी involved है ही नहीं जो 10 साल टिक गया हो करके. So that itself is such a big.
मेरे लिए तो पहला था, मेरा तो ओपनिंग लाइन ही वही था कि भाई मैं तो मतलब आई एम फुल ऑफ ग्रेटिट्यूड, प्रिविलेज्ड टू बी डूइंग दिस. मैंने आज तक कोई एटलीस्ट इधर द कंपनीज हु हैव डन वेल हैव बीन बॉट, एक्वायर्ड, और आई एम नॉट इन्वॉल्वड विद देम.
5 year है ना, Go Quick 5 year anniversary.
वो क्विक 5 ईयर इज नवंबर ओनली, दिस नवंबर ओनली
देखो
2025.
अभी फिर ये करेगा तेरी तरह लास्ट मिनट इनवाइट भेजेगा.
नहीं, मैं सोच रहा हूँ हमने तो कुछ प्लान ही नहीं है ऐसा. शांतनु, टेल मी, you did this first time at the end of 10 years, right? Or have
Yes.
you done this before?
नहीं यार, end of 5 years क्या ही थे, 2020 कोविड चल रहा था एक तो.
नहीं पर
ज़्यादा
अच्छा,
ज़रा.
वैसे रिफ्लेक्ट करके बताओ कि लेट्स से इफ यू नाउ आफ्टर डूइंग द 10th one, do you think you should be doing it more frequently? You should have done it at the end of 5 years.
We were not in a position to have a foundation day at the end of 5 years. You probably are. You
Yeah.
have done enough in 5 years to have a very meaningful reflection and looking forward thing where there is a lot of confidence in the company. At 5 year point, we did not have much confidence in the company. we are not reached anywhere.
मैं वही सरप्राइज हूँ यार कि तू नहीं कर रहा है. So we did in May,
नहीं मतलब
Shantanu, just
आई एम नॉट
before you
सेइंग नहीं
joined.
कर रहा, आई एम सेइंग कि एटलीस्ट आई हैव नॉट हैड दैट कन्वर्सेशन. मे बी यू नो चेतना, शी लाइक्स टू डू इट हर वे.
सीक्रेट में कुछ कर रही है करके वो तुम्हें पता
नहीं
नहीं
वो
है.
कुछ कर
बस
रही
आ
होगी,
जाना,
मे बी
पहुंच जाना.
she has set up time today evening, maybe that's one of the topics she wants to bring up.
वो तेरा लिंक्डइन पोस्ट देख लिया ना उसने कि उसको पता है कि भाई ये तो सवाल आने वाला है अब कि भाई हम 5 साल वाला क्यों नहीं कर रहे हैं करके.
नहीं, करो सिटी करो आप. Like if Chetna is watching, I think it's a no-brainer. Please do it, whether City likes it or not. Hey, one more reflection for me, I think, is that there are moments when you suddenly feel ki you will always have people who work hard, who are proud about their work, who are proud about their career, about their teams, making people successful, increasing the value of their shareholding, etc., etc., etc. You will see a lot of these high-quality professionals. But I think there comes a point when these people become. I will have a conversation with someone, and the conversation will give me an insight or give me a feeling that the what will happen to the company matters as much, if not more, to them than it does to me. मेरे को बहुत बार ऐसा लगता है कुछ-कुछ लोगों के साथ बात करते वक़्त कि इतने पैशन से वो इट्स नॉट अबाउट दे वांट टू प्रूव देमसेल्व्स राइट और दे आर ट्राइंग टू इम्प्रेस मी बिकॉज़ आई एम देयर बॉस और व्हाट, इट्स नॉट दैट. इट ट्रूली शोज़ कि यार बॉम्बे शेविंग कंपनी के साथ क्या होता है, ये मेरे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि मेक इन इंडिया करना है, फैक्ट्री लगानी है. या फिर आई रिमेंबर वन्स हैविंग अ चैट विद दीपक, एंड दीपक वाज लाइक, यार सुपरमैक्स खरीद लेते हैं. मैंने, भाई 700 करोड़ की ऑफलाइन कंपनी अपनी 200 करोड़ की है, तो कैसी बात कर. बोला, नहीं यार एसडी अपने को अगर करना है ना तो अपने को मैन्युफैक्चरिंग लगाना पड़ेगा. खरीदे देखते तो हैं पैसे कहाँ से उठ जाते हैं. लेट्स सी अगर लोन वोन ले लेते हैं उनका कुछ मॉर्गेज पे लगा देंगे उनके कैपेक्स को, एटसेट्रा. एंड आई कुड सी इन दैट मोमेंट दैट ही वाज वेरी सीरियस बिकॉज़ इट मैटर्ड टू हिम. एंड आई सेड व्हाट अबाउट यू, लाइक छोड़ो यार, लाइक वी विल फिगर आउट अ वे टू पे बैक. कर लेंगे, कुछ ना कुछ कर लेंगे.
You think bigger, yeah,
That's-
Shantanu. See, I don't know if you tracked EA Sports $55 billion leverage buyout. Like,
हाँ.
तो क्या आप 700 करोड़ 1000 करोड़ का इतना टेंशन ले रहे हैं यार. You already have some Middle East money, no? Get more Saudi money and then खरीद ले Supermax को, बोल मैं मैन्युफैक्चर. बड़ा सोचते हैं.
कंपनी तो बंद हो गई वो, तो थैंकफुली वी डिड नॉट गो थ्रू विद दैट. बट अगेन यू आर राइट, इट डज टीच यू दैट इफ अदर पीपल कैन थिंक बिग अबाउट योर बिजनेस,
Then why can't you think?
then it then you are falling short.
Yeah. तेरा तो नंबर 1 काम है यार, think big. तेरा you have to enable, or at least you enable the big thinkers, ना? Arrange for capital.
हाँ. हाँ.
Arrange for a situation where somebody is ready to help you acquire, merge, whatever it is, and become even bigger. यार क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है?
Yeah. Agree.
वो तो हो जाएगा यार. शांतनु, आई वांटेड टू प्रेजेंट यस्टरडे, स्लाइड नहीं बनी कि यू हैड ओनली टॉट मी कि स्टोरी फॉलोज डेटा, नॉट द अदर वे अराउंड. मेरे को उसका कोई पिक विक नहीं मिला, बट यू बोथ हैव ओनली टॉट मी कि भाई पहले स्टोरी आती है फिर डेटा आता है. पहले फाउंडर इमेजिन करता है कि यार ये होने वाला है दुनिया में, मुझे लगता है ये सही है. फिर उसके बाद रिसोर्सेज, डेटा विल अलाइन, वो CO2 नेटवर्क इफेक्ट्स, ये सब, एवरी स्टार इन द वर्ल्ड विल अलाइन.
never let facts get in the way of a good story.
वो दूसरे साइड वाला भी है आर्ग्यूमेंट, तो ऐसे वो वन लाइनर तो वो भी है कि डोंट लेट क्या डेटा गेट इनटू एन ओपिनियन फाइट.
हाँ.
ये
चल, मेरे को
निखिल जी ने दोनों
बहुत
साइड के बनाए हुए हैं, डिपेंडिंग ऑन कौन सी स्लाइड दिखानी है ना, उसका टाइटल पहले तैयार है.
तो एक
वो
बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग very interesting thought that one person told me yesterday only, one of our early backers, Amit Gupta. He's now a senior partner at McKinsey. Because बोलता है कि यार India is like the world has now moving back to an oral society. We were a written society for many years. For last 3,000-4,000 years, ever since we knew how to write on papyrus and so on, we have written things. And now, to the extent that we have now, the world runs on the internet. Internet is basically a place where you crawl a lot of written content, right? And written form is the only way in which you can actually make structured, long arguments. But the world has effectively stopped reading. I don't know whether you guys feel this, but no one reads anymore. So it is a good chance that we are just consuming content which is visual and kind of oral. It is very likely that the world will go back to being an oral society, which it was 5,000 years back, with the technology that exists today, especially with AI and so on. So the ability to actually like frame long arguments and data and stories may be a thing of the past in, let's say, the next 50 years.
Yeah. I was meeting someone today. Imagine how many print issues of Forbes are printed in India. Every they have a fortnightly issue. Yes,
1-2 लाख तो होंगे यार.
less than 10,000 number है.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
बहुत ही कम है तो यार।
बहुत ही कम।
Hmm.
एंड ही सेड मतलब ऑफ कोर्स दिस हैज डिक्लाइंड अ लॉट।
Yeah.
यार इमेजिन ना, मतलब इवन इफ लेट्स से वन ऑफ अस गेट कवर्ड, बट मैगजीन तो बहुत कम लोग खरीदते हैं। आई थिंक एवरीवन इज लुकिंग एट डिजिटल कंटेंट।
Yeah.
So he was
पढ़ता
also
हुआ आर्टिकल को पढ़ा है।
narrating the
100%.
same thing कि storytelling is dying and the format also of course has changed. 2 सेकंड में आप कितना ही स्टोरी कर लोगे या इन 30 सेकंड रील. So the written form is dying. वो it become a little bit of reverse chicken and egg कि story telling die हो रही है, storytellers ही कम होते जा रहे हैं.
I would nuance it, Chirag, and I would actually agree with what Amit was telling Shantanu. I think storytelling is not dying; it's just taking a different form. What happened is we relied on कि नॉवल अच्छी बनानी है, 3 घंटे की पिक्चर अच्छी बनानी है, तो स्टोरी टेलर्स वो स्किल डेवलप करने लगे कि यार बहुत ही बढ़िया सस्पेंस रखो, धीरे धीरे सब करो, मजा आना चाहिए, पढ़ने में मजा आना चाहिए. टुडे स्टोरी टेलिंग इज सेइंग कि भाई 30 सेकंड में एंजॉयमेंट चाहिए मुझे.
Anyway, what I meant was written form वाला storytelling.
रिटन फॉर्म
In
आई
a
एग्री. I
Of
actually
course,
think
I saw that Netflix badass of Bollywood. मुझे तो लगा full time pass story है कि no takeaway when you are like screwed in life, just आराम से देख लो, 3 घंटे निकल जाते हैं. तो I think some people know have mastered this little bit of romantic time pass.
I actually had a corollary thought, and I don't know if you guys saw the rollout of Sora 2 or the fact that Meta also has rolled out a new app. I was seeing the two launches, both by Sora 2 as well as the, I think Vibes करके app निकाला है Meta ने. And going back to the how D2C brands scaled up, largely was Facebook ads and then now Instagram ads. और अब creator led होते जा रहा है because there's so much AI short video content कि there is a lot of push to creators as such. But I don't know if you guys realize this, but that shift is very palpable कि इतना content glut हो रहा है कि one of the things I'm seeing is that unless you have a creator-led story, a creator who I trust, it's getting harder and harder to build comfort and trust around brand or your proposition because इतना content आ गया है कि like if you go back to what happened 2-3 years back, जो अभी भी ट्रेंड चल रहा है कि फाउंडर लेड ब्रांड, मतलब फाउंडर को खुद आके बेचना पड़ता है. लाइक शांतनु, यू आर द प्राइम एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस, राइट? कि बॉम्बे शेविंग कंपनी का देयर इज अ वेरी स्ट्रांग रेजोनेंस अराउंड यू बीइंग द फाउंडर एंड यू सेइंग कि यार मुझे ये करना है, वेदर इट्स रेजर प्रिन और एक्सेट्रा. वी हैव सीन whether it's a whole truth with Shashank or a super you with Ranbir, like different you need a face who people trust and you keep seeing again and again. और वही एड है या वही तुम्हारा सेलिंग पॉइंट है, क्योंकि तुम अगर 100 लोग को लगाओगे तो वही 100 लोग दूसरे चीज भी बात कर रहे हैं. जस्ट टू मच ग्लट ऑफ कंटेंट अराउंड. सो इफ यू कीप प्लेइंग दिस आउट, I like the point you said, Chirag, ki the number of authentic storytellers will keep reducing, but the number of authentic storytellers I trust will be even a narrower audience. So it's going to be very hard to sort of break the clutter in the future. Even if you're a good storyteller, तुम्हारा audience बहुत ही narrow रहते जाएगा by design. Like I don't know what this means, but businesses will ideally start struggling more and more. Platforms therefore will keep winning because like a Zomato or a Blinkit or a Amazon by design don't need to rely on this. But single propositions will continue to struggle यार, because जैसे audience बढ़ रहा है ना, Instagram 750 मिलियन होगा, but तुम्हारा funnel narrow और narrow होते जा रहा है because there's too much glut. मतलब मुझे तो लगता है कि with these एक सप्लाई शॉक हो जाएगा, राइट? अभी लाइक अगर सोरा 2 सब यूज करने लग जाएंगे और यूजीसी अपने आप एआई से बन जाएगा, तो कंटेंट ग्लट इतना होगा कि ऑथेंटिसिटी विल हैव अ मैसिव प्रीमियम, like the human
Yes, yes.
voice. And because by design, if you're not a platform, you will need to continuously do this authenticity to get traffic. Otherwise, you're at the mercy of the platform. So, I mean, maybe too many things in one statement, but I see just massive repercussions on everything from valuation metrics for D2C brands to potential scale limitation of D2C brands to potential economics getting worse for brand. Like, it's just concerning for me कि यार अगर तुम्हारा जो GTM था, which was digital only, and I know we discussed ki why should brands go offline, but I keep wondering ki we can always pivot. Like a brand in 2015 to 2020 had to focus on doing Facebook marketing well. 2020 to 2025 had to focus on Instagram marketing doing well. Now it's about creator marketing doing well. कल कुछ और अच्छा मसल बनाना पड़ेगा. But every such muscle development has its cost, and therefore economics by design will never really get to that सबका जो ख्वाब है कि 20% EBITDA बनेगा करके. मतलब मुझे तो लग नहीं रहा है वो होते हुए कभी भी.
For sure, I think what you're saying, it leads to newer models for, I think existing brands anyways take time, newer ones, at least what we have seen. They evolve to these newer GTMs much faster. I think what you're saying also, ये तो है ही है, I think authenticity / you will start to see a lot of at least videos will have some AI mark saying that this is AI generated, AI inspired, instead of being like fully shot by a human. वो सब डिटेक्शन लोग करने लग जाएंगे. That for sure is going to happen. Like you have seen some of the videos done by InVideo. Bro, it's absolutely crazy. You look at the quality of that video. It's an Indian startup. I think you can't make it. So people are developing these algorithms that you are able to make that this is an AI generated video. I think I've seen it in Google. On the right bottom, there is an AI. I think what it also means is that the need for A/B testing across the sphere is going to increase. एंड व्हाट शांतनु कीप्स मैनी है, शांतनु के रील चलेंगे क्योंकि वो तो खुद ही शूट करता है. देयर इज ही कीप्स क्लैरिफाइंग टू पीपल, बट वो सच है कि वी हैव सीन इट लाइव इन फ्रंट ऑफ अस ना. वो 5 मिनट में ऐसे कहीं भी चालू कर देता है. तो ऑथेंटिसिटी तो विंस.
Yeah,
आई थिंक
no, I
एक और
also
इससे रिलेटेड एंगल है व्हिच मेटा इज पुशिंग, व्हाई क्रिएटर्स. आई वाज स्पीकिंग टू समवन एट मेटा एंड ही वाज एक्सप्लेनिंग टू मी कि यार ब्रांड्स को ना, एटलीस्ट द ब्रांड व्हेन दे गो टू एजेंसीज लाइक ओगिलवी, व्हाट हैपेंस इज दैट दे कम विद द माइंडसेट दैट क्रिएटिव ऐसा होना चाहिए, इस साइज का होना चाहिए, and they have this 3-month campaign करेंगे XYZ. They are saying that world is over and we are done trying teaching brands. Creator को आता है, they know कि platform पे क्या चलता है, how to hook the audience in 2 seconds, which Ogilvy will never get. We have tried enough. Globally, we have tried enough. So we want creators को ही आगे push करेंगे, हम ही push करेंगे. They've just launched Creator Marketplace. So the push is secular globally.
100%. 100%. यार इसमें मेरे को ये भी
YouTube
लगता
भी
है
सेम
कि
कर रहा है.
होगा. I think also any free market forces ना, unfortunately or fortunately are very inequitable in nature. So Paretos become very extreme. So Facebook like Meta ही बहुत बता रहा है, 4 billion reels are posted a day, boss. 4 billion reels are posted a day, or 4
But
billion
that's
pieces of content are posted a day. It's crazy.
टोटल बाउ ही उनका, टोटल डाउ उनका 2 बिलियन है.
हाँ
मैं तो नहीं डालता
हाँ,
हूँ. तो लोग मतलब 4 नहीं डाल रहे दिन में.
15 billion. I don't know whether this includes brands का performance marketing and so on, but even then 4 billion piece of content for the consumer to view in a day is crazy. It's crazy. आप ये सोचो रेवंत कि अगर आदमी 1 घंटा इंस्टाग्राम पे है, तो on average that person has seen 70 to 80 pieces of content.
Yeah, I was coming to that only कि कितना content चाहिए होगा.
हाँ, तो सप्लाई तो होना चाहिए ना उतना. क्योंकि Instagram never feels repetitive, by the way. I don't know if you have noticed this. You'll never see
Yeah.
the same thing twice. You'll see the same follower, creator and brand and so on. You'll never see the same. तो कितना होगा यार उस पे? तो अगर हर इंसान रोज 80 रील्स देख रहा है रोज, और मे बी 150 पीस ऑफ कंटेंट देख रहा है इंस्टाग्राम पे, तो बना तो कोई रहा होगा ना.
I
Would
see
be.
this on Instagram nowadays where someone tells me मैंने ये रील पोस्ट किया, सेम रील में सिर्फ फर्स्ट टाइटल चेंज किया या कैप्शन चेंज किया, इसमें 10,000 व्यू आए, इसमें 3 मिलियन व्यू आए. लाइक वो कंटिन्यूअसली लोग करते जा रहे हैं अभी. और
Yeah.
एंड इट्स अ कांस्टेंट बैटल, राइट? देन मेटा सेज ये को समझ में आएगा गेम क्या है, अब मैं एल्गो चेंज कर दूंगा, फिर वो कुछ करेंगे. मतलब ये जो बैटल है इसमें, इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक वी आर फॉलोइंग प्रे टू दिस बैटल. एंड आई कीप वरिंग, राइट? टुडे लॉट ऑफ ब्रांड्स आर स्केलिंग एंड एवरीवन यार हमें समझ में आएगा अब क्या चाहिए, अब मेटा को यही चाहिए, अब हम ये करेंगे. बट मेटा को यही चाहिए कि, या यूट्यूब को यही चाहिए कि तुम बस, मतलब इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक तुम वो नचा रहे हैं और तुम नाच रहे हो कि अच्छा अब ऐसे नाचना है तो धंधा आएगा, अब ऐसे नाचना है तो धंधा आएगा. Which is great for today. But sometimes I think that if you think about this for 3-5 years, what is a sustainable moat you can build where you are not in this constant treadmill? I know this is where a D2C brand has created an impact and said मैं 500 करोड़ बन गया और बाकी लोग और 1000 करोड़ भी बन जाऊंगा मैं. But truly sustainable, predictable, long term brand के लिए तो तुमको ये एक मसल चाहिए होगा जो which is not going to, you can't change the exercise every 6 months. मैं ऐसे सोच रहा हूँ कि यार is this the future कि यही करते रहना पड़ेगा करके.
I think अभी थोड़ा हम लोगों को visible है, but don't you think in an offline world also, let's say you were mercy to the strategy of Reliance. कि Reliance बोल रहा है मुझे ग्रॉस मार्जिन बढ़ाना है इसलिए मैं तो इस कैटेगरी में प्राइवेट लेवल करूँ.
No, so
राइट,
sorry.
इधर थोड़ा गेम डिफरेंट है.
Correct. I'm not saying so. Retailer and media buying spot is different. The analogy, better analogy would be कि यार IPL करना है तो ये रेट है करके, या क्रिकेट करना है तो यही रेट है, वरना या कलर्स पे आपको KBC जिसपे भी आता है अभी वो करना है तो यही रेट है, बाकी टाइम आपको फिर 11 बजे का स्लॉट मिलेगा. सो आई एम सेइंग मीडिया बाइंग यूज्ड टू हैव सम, इट वुड स्टिल बी प्रिडिक्टेबल. यू कुड नो दैट समर में बच्चों का वेकेशन होगा तो बच्चों के ब्रांड को अगर कुछ करना है तो सुबह के स्लॉट्स में नए कार्टून्स आएंगे, ये यू कुड प्लान फॉर इट. I think what is happening is
हाँ.
it's almost like you have to build a
The
reactive
planning,
muscle.
नहीं,
Cycle
प्लानिंग
is.
साइकिल कम हो गई है. You have to be by force agile.
Hmm.
If you are not agile, if you are not thinking like every week or so,
Hmm.
तो बस निकल जाती है. Right?
Yeah.
Because things underlying only change so much. आप
Yeah.
आज नहीं हो कल, you know, there is some new trend which has happened.
Yeah.
And which also means not only for, let's say, people who are doing ads, etc. I think it goes down to product making also. Consumer product making. That how
Yeah.
does it flow into your supply chain? Are you? We have seen so many trends change, na?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I also feel like a lot of brands, and I don't know whether I spoke to you guys about it, but I was talking to on somewhere about it, that people should never, and this is something that comes from Chirag, your point of view, right? Technology can change, trends can change, but consumer remains the same. This whole feeling that we should get onto the latest bandwagon and make ads around it, and then pat ourselves on the back when our ads go viral. And when our ads go viral, we will build a loved brand which has got a lot of salience. I think is the worst mistake brand marketers are doing. Like by getting comedians, I don't know whether you saw the latest RJ Mahavash Samay Rena reel. It's gone quite viral and so on and so forth. I don't really think the brand has gotten anything out of it. But I'm sure the brand team is fully celebrating. कि क्या बढ़िया हो गया यार, 25 मिलियन व्यू आ गए, ये वो. तो उसमें क्या हुआ है, समय रैना एंड 2 अदर्स करके आया हुआ है उस पे. वो 2 अदर्स में एक वो ब्रांड है. अब उसमें लोगों ने मजे तो ले लिए. देख, समय रैना बीइंग हिमसेल्फ, ही इज काइंड ऑफ फुल्ली काइंड ऑफ टेकन हर केस. वो युजवेंद्र चहल और धनश्री वर्मा ने कुछ तो किसी बिग बॉस ने बोला होगा कि ही चीटेड ऑन मी विद इन 2 मंथ्स. उसको लेके समय रैना इज बेसिकली रोस्टेड दैट आरजे महावाश हूज allegedly dating युजवेंद्र चहल. So this is the whole gossipy story. It's obviously entertaining and engaging. So सबने देखा होगा उसको. व्यूज तो बढ़िया, सुंदर सी लड़की है, समय रैना है, तो रील विल डू वेल. Brand is totally lost in my view.
Hey, but Shantanu, and I think you both are experts in this. I think ये थोड़ा intriguing question ही है from a brand point of view कि सिर्फ views ले आओ. Is that what brand is about? Isn't it
Chance ही
about
नहीं है,
what
dude.
you showed yesterday? कि in the presentation कि यार, let's say Bombay Shaving Company wants to stand for hair removal.
हाँ,
Right? And मेरा unaided top of mind recall कितना है इसका?
correct.
And then let's say, am I present at all places, or I'm talking about in a brand campaign or in an association around that topic in some way?
Yeah.
अब अगर उसका कुछ उससे लेना देना ही नहीं है, then isn't it just plain views and money down the drain?
Yes, but that's the
How do
thing.
you guys
People,
think about it? I think you guys both are building like really good brands.
मेरे को तो वही
कैसे
लगता है,
समझना चाहिए?
a lot of the branding metrics should not change. Whatever the medium to get to consumers, top of mind, consideration, NPS, these should not repeat rates. Should not go to
Yeah,
how
पर
brands
शांतनु
grow.
वो थोड़े से मतलब they're measuring these top of mind और ये सब metrics is a little bit lagging. Right? Views तो अभी आ जाते हैं, लोग celebrate तो अभी करने लग जाते हैं.
हाँ, हाँ.
But how do you
Instant
ensure कि
gratification तो सब
you are
लोग
doing I think the great brand manager knows ना कि यार मेरे को इसका top of mind खींचना है. And
हाँ.
hence, my campaign at least must be hitting the hammer on this point.
भाई लॉन्ग टर्म थिंकिंग कौन कर रहा है ब्रांड के लिए? वही
यार
इशू
पर वो
विद
तो
इशू.
टॉपिक ही ऐसा है यार.
नहीं, बट आप सिटी, आप ये सोचो, इंस्टेंट ग्रेटिफिकेशन इज नॉट जस्ट अ व्यूअर इशू. इट इज अ ब्रांड मैनेजर इशू. इट इज एन इन्वेस्टर इशू. एवरीवन इज नाउ गेटिंग impatient in life in general, even in your personal life with relationships, even any marination as a human trait has gone out the window. Even in large companies now, 2 साल के अंदर the guy is changing roles because he wants the next things. बोर हो गया, अभी ये सेम चीज 3 साल कौन करेगा, तो उसको कुछ और दे देते फिर तो no, it's like what you say with IAS officers or with political parties in India. 3, 4, 5 years are not enough to see anything really. तो तुम अगर उसी में ट्रांसफर हो रहा है तो then how will have a long term view to these things? तो उस ब्रांड मैनेजर का व्यू होगा कि ठीक है, मेरे को व्यूज लेके आना है. 4-5 लोग उसके बॉस को व्हाट्सएप पे उसके बॉस को फॉरवर्ड मिलता है ना कि यार तुम्हारे ब्रांड का क्या सही है यार, तो बॉस भी खुश, उसका वो ब्रांड मैनेजर भी खुश, फाउंडर भी खुश, एवरीवन हैप्पी. बट एक्चुअल मेट्रिक मूवमेंट वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू सी. मतलब उस पे तो डबल क्लिक करो ना यार कि मतलब क्या हो रहा है उसमें.
It's a fair point कि actually for me what stays back is Adi had mentioned this and that was very eye opening for me कि तुम्हें लग रहा है कि तुम्हारे ब्रांड का अवेयरनेस या कंसिडरेशन ठीक हो रहा है, but it takes 7 years for that to peak. 7 years of consistent message hammering and increasing your budgets and increasing your penetration on awareness and on consideration, right? And if you don't have someone thinking with that 7 year view, let's say hypothetically, then you will end up doing some things which are short term in nature.
Really liked it the way at least Nikhil put it yesterday. I think in a different revenue terms. He said 100 crore का कोई भी brand revenue कर लेता है because there are many fleeting customers who will buy once. जब आप 300 crore करते हो ना तो it starts to prove repeatability, good product, NPS, all of that stuff. And then you suddenly realize 300 से 600 की जर्नी आराम से हो जाती है. But 100 crore doesn't mean anything.
हाँ.
Because जनता ही इतनी है, लोग एक बार ही करके यूज कर रहे हैं, 2 साल तक करते रहेंगे, समझ ही नहीं आएगा आपको.
We are very
But-
like we have yeah we.
And
अगर मैं होता, for example, like if you want to use, like I agree with Revant, like founder faces or face based brands build trust. फिर you're basically replacing consistent communication through media of a face, which is fine. वही बंदा आके तुमको हर हफ्ते बता रहा है कि क्या है, कैसा है, etc. सरदवीर सिंह
but वो
आके बोल रहा
आज है
है,
शांतनु.
"East."
Like this started 2021 onwards. उसके पहले trust and authenticity के लिए there was another. So मैं बोल रहा हूँ ये change होता रहेगा हर 3-4 साल. My limited point is this will keep changing every 3-4 years. And I'll give you a even more tougher problem now. कि if you want to build a house of brands, right? Is it the same guy going and saying everything, or do you build it now around multiple founders of each brand? Because if this has to scale, how do you build a house of brands? Think about it.
Yeah.
If you want to build something like Unilever at scale, which is like 50 brands, right? Hypothetically possible है ना. होनासा ने अगर 8 बना दिए तो 15 बना सकते हैं, right? Question is, what is the scale model? तो मैं तो ये सोचता हूँ कि यार, if you take a 5-year view, what is your scale model for each brand? What is your rate limiting factor for each brand to get to 1,000 crores? And how do you build 10 brands? Forget 20. Because the authenticity and trust factor keeps changing. So what worked for you in the first 1 or 2 brands may not work for you in the next. Second,
Absolutely.
what has worked for you in the 100 to 300 crore also, Chirag? Now, yes, NPS repeat high hai, but your GTM itself will keep evolving because your media buying strategy has to keep evolving. So I know the answer will boil down to staying agile, but boss, this is very hard to do at scale. Huh? Agility
Yeah.
at sub 500 crore is okay. Agility at 1,000, 2,000 crore is like a massive problem to solve. तो मैं तो
Also the other
सोच रहा
thing
हूँ बड़े
है,
बिजनेस
Revant,
बनेंगे कैसे अभी? Like how will truly a 50,000 crore Unilever get made now in this day and age? वो क्वेश्चन सोचता हूँ.
that's a good point.
Like
मेरे
हमने
को
शुरू
लगता
किया
है
बड़ा सोचना
entire-
चाहिए करके, तो सोचते हैं बड़ा, बट कैसे बनेगा ये?
Yeah, also the other issue is
world is
कि
abundant with capital. I think now capital will be used more than only company building skills. एक कंपनी बनाएंगे, उससे कैश फ्लो जनरेट होगा, फ्री कैश फ्लो, एंड देन गो आउट इन द मार्केट, रेज मोर, लेवरेज बाय आउट करो और कंपनीज खरीदो.
Yeah. No, other issue is also I feel ki true marketing, true outstanding storytelling, marketing and brand love was built by consistent telling of the same story for decades. So all the brands that we love or etc. Same story being told over and over again with a lot of consistency. But today it goes completely antithetical to any success of any content. It's all about dopamine. It's about content buckets. It's about hook steps. So it is changing so quickly that I'm not sure. Like, do you tell me that? Do you genuinely feel that people feel love for any creators? I have a strong sense that it's not love. It is voyeuristic affection at best. I don't think there is love.
Which is okay, Shantanu. Which is okay. मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि यार I
नहीं,
would
पहले
be
पहले समझा दे ये डिफरेंस. आई थिंक यू हैव यूज्ड सम गुड इंग्लिश
complex
वर्ड्स.
words. हाँ.
कि मेरे को मैं चाहता हूँ, मैं देख I'm voyeuristic, मतलब आई वांट टू सी व्हाट्स हैपनिंग इन देयर लाइफ, क्या कर रहे हैं, कौन है, इनका घर कैसे दिखता है, ये खाने में क्या खा रहे हैं, ये इनकी गाड़ी कौन सी है, इनके ड्राइवर का नाम क्या है. आई वांट टू नो दीस थिंग्स. But do I feel true love for that person? The way we felt for Amitabh Bachchan and Shah Rukh Khan and Sachin Tendulkar and Dairy Milk and Nike, like over a period of time, because we truly associated ourselves with everything that these people or these brands stood for. We there are reasons why people stand outside Mannat and still, like, there are hundreds of people outside whatever Amitabh Bachchan's house or outside Sachin's house. Or when you see a Nike product launch or when Apple launches a phone, there are people, thousands of lines of people, nothing to do with the product feature, etc. लोन लेके उनको 1.5 लाख का फोन खरीदने का. ट्रू लव है वो. वो नहीं होता मेरे हिसाब से in a world of instant gratification and dopamine hits and hook steps and performance. It's hard to do that.
And longevity can solve for it, no? Like for example, if I take
I
Tanmay,
think
okay?
longevity is in complete antithesis to the world of content today.
Yeah,
It
but
does
look at
not
Tanmay,
reward
na?
longevity.
Yeah,
This is Tanmay 10.0 boss. और Tanmay 12.0 है ये जो भी चल रहा है. He's very aware that he will have to become Tanmay 15.0.
but that's exactly goes back to the point that Chirag had, na? Basically, he's saying कि मैं change नहीं हो रहा हूँ. I am the same guy, but I will present a version of myself to the world which conforms to how the YouTube algo will. No, actually, that's unfair, yaar. He's the same guy, yaar. He's like maybe
No,
he's
no.
toned down a little, right? I'm talking about Tanmay Bhatt, the comedian, right? Like,
Yeah.
but people can't accuse him of not being authentic. He's still the same guy he was 10 years back. It's just that the language maybe he uses is a little different.
I think he's one of the you're right. I think Tanmay is a very different example. I think Tanmay has been able to weave the world of content while retaining authenticity. One of the very few people who've actually been able to do that. And to be able to
But
monetize it and sell. I don't know. I think he sells by giving his services to other people. I don't think if he
which is
starts
fine.
selling
How he
products.
makes how he makes money is a different matter. But to your point, I was just saying that I think creators who are authentic for a long enough time, doing the same thing, okay, not doing the same thing, conveying themselves in the manner that they always have, where people are like, yeah, we know this guy and we like him
Yeah.
for what he has to say, consistently being authentic, I think is love over a time. Whereas creators who are now solving for the algorithm, trying to give to an algorithm or being someone who they are not
Yeah.
authentically, because
Yeah.
algo को अभी चाहिए कि यार कोई आके न्यूज ब्रेक डाउन करे, राइट? तो मैं वो बन जाऊंगा क्योंकि वो गैप दिखा मेरे को, राइट? लाइक बीच में जब entrepreneurship podcast where a gap people got in, but now if you try to entrepreneurship podcast नहीं बनेगा, तो now people try to do something else, right? So you are trying to create a followership by looking at a gap. It's almost like हम बोलते थे entrepreneurship में the purest form of entrepreneurship is what you are passionate about. Doesn't matter उसमें पैसा मिलेगा कि नहीं, sexy है कि नहीं करके. Whereas what has started happening is entrepreneurship has become कि अच्छा यहाँ gap है, यहाँ VCs को पैसा डालना तो ये कर लेते हैं. Then your true purpose and resilience will not come. I think there are creators who have been following their passion and are being authentic. Maybe there are more examples like Tanmay who will by design have much higher trust with whatever they do compared to other people.
Yeah. I think authenticity in the world of content is a very tough thing.
By
But
the way,
interesting है ये बात.
Sachin's brand is also. Have you seen this, by the way? Just on this topic,
10x you know.
every
S10,
creator slash celeb is now launching their own brands.
Yeah.
Like we saw Hyphen with Kriti Sanon. We saw K Beauty has done well. We've discussed, right? HRX is a 1,000 crore brand. Plus, Wrong tried but has not done that well. But I hope 10XU does well. But I'm just saying कि if you see, the world seems to be going more and more that way. पहले भी बनते थे celeb brands, but I think अब तो मेरे को लगता है वो बहुत ही clear trust factor इतना ज़्यादा आ गया है कि now every creator will end up saying कि यार, I know there was a podcast you did, Shantanu, where there was a debate about content slash creator led brands. And I think Tanmay was on the other side saying नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं करना चाहिए, बहुत मेहनत है. He's right. I mean, it's a very tough thing to build a brand. I don't remember.
But वो
Shashank
भी
was
तो
there. You were there.
Revant, I think you are talking about creator-led brand, not celebrity-led brands.
Both, मतलब creator, celeb, trust और authenticity जहाँ है वहाँ पे मैं बोल रहा हूँ power वहाँ आ रही है ज़्यादा, क्योंकि ads इतने हो गए ना तो समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है लोगों को. तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ और बढ़ेंगे.
Creator वाला, at least I want to differentiate between the two. I think celebs have stood out for something. There are many creators. Some of them have stood out for certain things. But I think there were, let's say, I remember Raj Shamani started something on this. Wherein he said that he's going to launch, I remember यार उसने कोई perfume भी launch करा था with one of the singers.
राजमानी की तो कंपनी है यार. राजमानी की तो कंपनी है House of X, which is built on this thesis that I will take creators and build companies around it. Now he's doing something in cookware.
In my view, you need a magic combination of a fabulous operator and a capital raiser, and the creator, like for example, what is this underneath? Jo Kusha Kapila, she's the creator. Then there is a fab operator there, and I think Ghazal's the business builder come mentor come capital raiser, let's say. Like वो जो combination है ना वो बनना चाहिए.
जैसे 20 लाइफ में भी तो सेम है.
Even
Hmm.
10XU, Sachin is the creator, पता नहीं क्या है, but face है Sachin. Sequoia is funding this, and they have gotten 2-3 like very
Yeah.
senior guys from Swiggy and all.
Karthik, the
So,
ex Instamart CBO,
uh,
he's the CEO there. Like he's the guy building it out with another senior Instamart executive. Peak 15 is the capital provider and Sachin is the face. So I think वो जो combination है ना वो powerful होना चाहिए and has to gel well together for like 4-5 years. वो I think magic ढूंढना is the key.
वो difficult लगता है मेरे को यार. तो इसमें ना I don't think, I think the moment these companies will go through tough times. Valley जब होती है ना, valley and tough times, resilience जो बोल रहे थे RB आप, उसमें one of these legs break and they are all critical legs. या तो capital
Yeah.
provider में confidence कम हो जाता है, या फिर creator instant gratification folks यार, उनका आधा mental health issues तो Instagram के comments पढ़ के होने लगता है उनको. So नहीं, genuinely it's a very real issue.
भाई
I'm not like, I don't want to make fun of it, but it's true.
ये तो वो वाली बात है शांतनु, लोग बोलते थे 30 डे पे डोपामाइन इफेक्ट होता है, वो सैलरी, ये तो कोकीन है, मतलब दे लिव ऑन लाइक दिस, तो अभी वो कैसे करेंगे यार, मतलब वो थोड़ा चीज ही अलग है. इट्स लाइक ट्रेडर वर्सेस, इफ यू आस्क ट्रेडर टू बिल्ड अ ब्रांड तो थोड़ा टफ तो होता ही है ना, मतलब यू आर यूज्ड टू लाइक मार्किंग अप एंड देन मेकिंग मनी
I
वर्सेस
think
लेट्स से
that,
इन्वेस्टिंग
yeah,
दैट टुवर्ड्स टुमारो इज अ डिफरेंट माइंडसेट ओनली.
it's like expecting 3 swimmers to be in swim lanes without the lanes being defined and different wave functions and to be at the same place every time. तो होगा ही नहीं यार, कैसे होगा यार? मेरे को तो नहीं
हाउ डू
लगता.
यू
I
कम
don't
अप
think
विद ऑल दिस?
I don't think this works. I don't like, call me cynical, but I have a feeling that creators should play the role of distributing brand messaging. Brand managers have the role of creating the brand messaging and making sure it's consistent. And I think people should stay in their lanes on this for their own maximization.
Like I think मुझे लग रहा है कि worth solving a problem. I agree with you that it's not it theoretically sounds very hard, but I think, see, our job is to keep imagining what does the future look like in 5 years and then 10 years and then start solving for it today. तो मतलब
Right.
मुझे तो ये बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन मार्क आ रहा है कि if I don't know, by the way, if you guys saw this, YouTube has dropped its premium rates in India. YouTube Premium is being sold cheaper than ever before. So
कितने का अभी?
if I take that as a sign, then they also want to go wean away from the ads format and monetize subscribers. By the way, there's a lot of subscription revenue happening on YouTube and Instagram now for followers and subscribers paying every month for exclusive content. ये भी हो रहा है दोनों में. So, like, I don't know if you guys have seen the Seekho 100 million और every content जो हम बोल रहे हैं dark patterns वाला, but यार clearly YouTube और Insta को दिख रहा है कि बॉस इंडिया में बहुत पैसा है. Ads छोड़ के भी बहुत पैसा बन सकता है through subscription revenue, small ticket. But if that happens and suddenly you have 50 million of the most premium people in India subscribing on YouTube saying, I don't want to see ads, how do you reach out to them? Creators. There is no other way. मैं बोल रहा हूँ, can you imagine a future where top 100 million richest people in India will not see ads on Instagram and YouTube? And that's a very scary thought. बॉस D2C ब्रांड का धंधा बंद हो जाएगा अगर तुम फिगर आउट नहीं करोगे कि इनको रीच आउट कैसे करना है विदाउट एडवर्टाइजिंग.
अरे वो तो क्रिएटर आएगा ना फिर सीमलेसली ऐसे शांतनु करेगा और बाल आ जाएंगे.
Hello guys,
कैसे
see you
बाय बाय
next
किधर?
week. See you next week.
बाय बाय.
See you. Bye. See you.